other, but we're all trying to find scalable ways to feed a population that's growing at a rate never considered before. After years of research, my team and I have discovered a process to bring nutritious foods on a global scale to all of humanity. It won't harm our Earth, it's sustainable, it's our future. Is it a natural path? Is it big business? There's actually a crucial intersection between nature and industry, and now between education and gamification. From the help of a colleague at St. Leo University, and with Sue's help through the Serious Play Conference, the workshop, Do You Want to Play a Game, will spread the truth about all this. You'll have to see what we've prepared. I need your support getting the word out by playing our serious game, Sound of Hunger. I've teamed up with environmental activists, I've even teamed up with green industry, but they need the help of people who haven't lost sight of what's important and who will choose the right path. We're getting away from eco-terrorists or businesses that only care about the bottom line. In the end, I believe you'll see how this solution and the game that's been developed to help bring it to light will see.
There's no debate to be had, Doctor. This is reality. Your message, your solution, it never mattered. Our side will always prevail. Your game won't help you here. You people in Raleigh, what do you care about food shortages? You have all the food you could possibly want. Ignore Dr. Moss's message. He's being taken care of as I speak.
We gotta call Jeff right away. We gotta do something. I don't know, Jake. Jake, we'll bring in the computer. Let's go see Amy. Come on, let's go. Come on.